Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix a Lenovo Yoga 7i that is not turning on. If your laptop is completely unresponsive, start by performing a hard reset. Disconnect the charger and remove any USB devices, external monitors, or accessories. Then press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. This drains any leftover power and resets the system. After that, connect the charger directly to a working wall outlet and try turning the laptop on again. If that does not help, use the emergency reset pinhole. On most Lenovo Yoga 7i models, this small hole is located on the side of the laptop near the charging ports or on the bottom cover. Take a paperclip or SIM eject tool and gently press inside the hole until you feel a click. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, then reconnect the charger and try powering on the device. Next, check the charging hardware. Make sure the wall outlet is working and inspect the charger and cable for damage. If possible, test with another compatible charger. Also check the charging indicator light near the charging port. If the light is blinking amber or not turning on, leave the laptop connected to power for at least 30 minutes before trying again. If the power button lights up but the screen stays black, try using the Novo button. Turn the laptop off completely and locate the Novo button, or in some models, it's the same reset button you pressed earlier, usually found on the side of the device and marked with a curved arrow icon. Press it with a paperclip to open the Novo button menu. From there, you can select Normal Startup, enter the BIOS, or use System Recovery to fix Windows startup issues. Thanks for watching.